Hello my friends, welcome back. It is Am I Still Loving It? Am I Still Loving Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours 360 Press Powder Foundation Matte Look Weightless Fill. When I first bought it, I love it. Let's see if I am still loving it. This is the shade 360. Let us have some makeup fun. Take your powders out and use them. I'm using a sponge. I already primed my face and I am just going to put it on. We will see if I still love it. My forehead don't have any yet. Under my eyes don't have any yet. But all of this have powder, you see? And I haven't even taken the brush to kind of get all of the excess out. Three things I use: sponge, powder, brush. Am I still liking it? Yes. This is still flawless. Take a look at this. This is all I have on my face. I don't have any on my top of my lids or anything, but the rest of my face is that powder. I am still loving it. I still love it. I still think the hype is real on this pressed powder foundation by Maybelline. If you don't have it, you can try it. It is really, really nice. If you like face powder, if you need something to set your foundation with, this is nice. This is still giving me flawless, not full coverage, but good enough coverage where I can build it up. I didn't build it up. I just want it like that because I still want my little imperfections to show, because we are not perfect people out there. This, I still want it to show. I don't want it to hide because this is just part of being alive in this world. So I did not cover it or do anything. I just did the powder to see if I'm still loving it, and I am still loving Maybelline Superstay 24 Hour, and this one is shade 360. One is darker than the other, but I still love them. I use them and I make them work. Thank y'all again for watching. Never ever stop rising. Don't give up on self. And if there is any inkling, little bit of something going wrong up there, please seek help, because you are not alone. I will see you in another video. Subscribe and watch a playlist. Bye bye. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is cute. I love it.